Today we'll have inverse trigonometry. This is inverse trigonometry. In inverse trigonometry, for example, we are writing sin theta equals x. Then we can say theta equals sin inverse x. It is read as sin inverse x. This does not mean sin x to the power minus 1. Okay, here this means this value sin inverse x represent an angle theta. Now some properties of inverse trigonometry. Before knowing the property, we must know the range of the inverse trigonometric functions. That is, for sin inverse x, cos inverse x, and tan inverse x. Sin inverse x domain is minus 1 to 1. For cos inverse x, domain is minus 1 to 1. And for tan inverse x, domain is all real numbers. But range for sin inverse x, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Both values inclusive. For cos inverse x, 0 to pi, both values inclusive. And for tan inverse x, minus pi by 2 to pi by 2, but both values are not included. Now, we'll talk about some properties. So sin inverse x can be written as cosec inverse 1 by x. Similarly, cos inverse x can be written as sec inverse 1 by x. And tan inverse x can be written as cot inverse 1 by x. Now, another thing, sin inverse minus x can be written as minus sin inverse x. Cos inverse minus x will be written as pi minus cos inverse x. Tan inverse minus x will be written as minus tan inverse x. Similarly, cot inverse minus x will be written as pi minus cot inverse x. And sec inverse minus x will be written as pi minus sec inverse x. And cosec inverse minus x will be written as minus cosec inverse x. These things you have to remember. Now further, sin inverse x plus cos inverse x equals pi by 2. Tan inverse x plus cot inverse x is also pi by 2, and sec inverse x plus cosec inverse x is also pi by 2. Now, sine inverse sine theta equals theta. Cos inverse cos theta equals theta. And tan inverse tan theta equals theta. But here you have to be cautious that this will be true only if theta lies within the limit. Within the limit means it is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. Here 0 to pi. Here between minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. See its uses. It is used for calculating the principal values of inverse function. For example, I am writing sine inverse 1 by 2. We want to know its principal value. So it can be written sine inverse sine pi by 6. Sine 30 degree is 1 by 2. That can be written pi by 6. Now it will be read as sine inverse sine theta. This formula will apply. Your value is pi by 6. This is called principal value. Similarly, if I write cos inverse minus half, now first it will be written as angle. Here this value is negative, so it will be read as cos inverse minus x. It is pi minus cos inverse x. Cos inverse x. Now pi minus cos inverse cos pi by 3. Cos 60 is 1 by 2. So cos 60 degree can be written as pi by 3. It is pi minus cos inverse cos theta. Cos inverse cos theta equals theta. So pi by 3. Your answer is 2 pi by 3. And similarly, other principal values can be calculated. Now, changing of inverse function from one to another. This is very important and you should know how to change this. See how it can be changed. Otherwise, you have to remember 25 formulae. For example, say I have sine inverse three by 5. And in the question, it is required that question cannot be solved till it is converted into tan inverse. So we must know how it will be converted into tan inverse. Now see here, draw a right triangle. Sin theta is perpendicular by hypotenuse. So perpendicular is 3, hypotenuse is 5. This is 3, this is 5. Use Pythagoras theorem to obtain the base. This will become 4 after using Pythagoras theorem. So here, sin inverse 3 by 5 can be written as cos inverse 4 by 5. Can be written as tan inverse 3 by 4. All these three values are same. So this is the way how to change one inverse function into other. because it is required while solving the questions. Now the basic formulae. See the formulae. What are the formulae? Tan inverse x plus tan inverse y equals tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Tan inverse x minus tan inverse y equals tan inverse x minus y by 1 plus xy. 2 tan inverse x can be written as sin inverse 2x by 1 plus x square. This can also be written cos inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square. Can also be written as tan inverse 2x by 1 minus x square. These formulas are frequently used in inverse trigonometry. You must remember these formulae. Now, from where these formulae came? It is from normal trigonometry, which you have already studied in class 11. That is, for example, tan a plus b equals tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. This is used to obtain this formula. We will derive one formula, this. Now, rest all I am removing. Let tan inverse x equals a. So this means x equals tan a. Tan a equals x. And tan inverse y equals b. This means tan b equals y. Okay. Now use that formula, tan a plus b. Tan a plus b equals tan a plus tan b by 1 minus tan a into tan b. Okay. Write the a equals a plus b equals, or directly write tan a plus b equals tan a is x, tan b is y by 1 minus x into y. Okay. Shift this tan, it will go RHS by tan inverse. So this means a plus b equals tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. Now substitute the value of a and b. Your a is tan inverse x, so tan inverse x. B is tan inverse y equals tan inverse x plus y by 1 minus xy. The same formula is written here. So like this, other formulae can also be derived. Now, the first thing that we must know the values calculation. For example, find the principal values of sine inverse minus 1 by root 2. We have already learned that sine inverse minus x equals minus sine inverse x. So it will be written as minus sine inverse 1 by root 2. Okay. Now 1 by root 2 can be written sine pi by 4. So we'll replace here equals minus sine inverse sine pi by 4. Now this portion is read as sine inverse sine theta. Sine inverse sine theta equals theta. So this will become pi by 4 and minus will remain here. So minus pi by 4. 1 mark question you will see in your examination like this. One question mandatorily will be given in 1 mark. Okay, see next example. Sine inverse root 3 by 2 plus cos inverse root 3 by 2. So this can be written as sine inverse x plus cos inverse x. Straight away you can write pi by 2 because we have seen in the previous properties sine inverse x plus cos inverse x equals pi by 2. Okay, now see another type. Sine inverse sine 3 pi by 4. Now we have seen that range of sine inverse is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. It is beyond that limit. So now it has to be brought within the limit, that is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2. So we'll change here, we'll write sine inverse sine pi minus pi by 4. Now see, pi minus pi by 4 will become 3 pi by 4. Now read this sine pi minus theta. Sine pi minus theta means 180 degree minus theta. Sine 180 minus theta equals sine theta. So equals sine inverse sine pi by 4. Now read this sine inverse sine theta equals theta. So our answer is pi by 4. But using direct formula sine inverse sine theta equals theta, this will give you wrong answer. Why you have to shift in this system? Because it is beyond the limit. The limit for sine inverse is minus pi by 2 to pi by 2 and it is not lying within that value. Hence we have to change and to bring within the limit and then to write the answer. This is the basics about inverse trigonometry. In the next video I will be sending the questions on inverse trigonometry.